Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendy Pick. This one is for every rider who has ever thought, I really should have a camera on my bike. We're counting down the 10 best motorcycle dash cams of 2026, covering every budget and every riding style. Stay until the end. The number one pick is worth waiting for. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Starting the list with number 10, Artman Motorcycle Dash Cam. You want protection, but you don't want something that looks bolted on by a security guard. The Artman threads that needle. A 7-inch touchscreen and dual 1080p cameras front and rear. At this price, that's more than expected. The screen holds up in direct sunlight, actually readable on a bright afternoon ride. 140-degree wide angles on both lenses and IP67 waterproof. Cable routing takes patience and the CarPlay integration works but isn't seamless. For a first camera that earns its keep without a major commitment, this is the right call. Number 9. NINEYIN Motorcycle Dash Cam. For the rider who'd spend a Saturday chasing wiring diagrams, the NINEYIN skips all of that. Compact, discreet, designed to snap on and go. Dual 1080p front and rear with 160-degree wide angles covers you left, right, and behind. G-sensor locks footage the moment something goes wrong. Night vision delivers actual usable detail in dark backroad conditions. App Connect gets your clips to your phone in seconds. 128GB storage caps things on longer trips, and there's no GPS. Route tracking isn't part of this package. But if your priority is getting on the road over getting the perfect setup, the NINEYIN gets out of the way. Number 8. INNOVV K7 Motorcycle Dash Cam. Most dash cams just record. The K7 thinks. Dual 2K front and rear with EIS anti-shake. Rough road footage stays clean enough to actually read plates when you need them. The 24-hour Sentry mode triggers a 30-second protected clip if anyone touches your parked bike. Emergency autosave fires on impact, GPS logs the full ride exportable for a claim, and 512GB support means no storage management mid-trip. Installation takes real time and the price reflects the premium tier. But for the rider who wants true round-the-clock protection, the K7 earns every dollar. Number 7. BOLLNG 2 K30 FPS Motorcycle Dash Cam. You want navigation and dash cam in one unit without paying for both separately. The BOLLNG fills that gap. A 6-inch IPS touchscreen at 60Hz is smooth and actually responsive, not the double-tap experience. CarPlay and Android Auto built-in keeps your navigation on screen. 2K recording reads plates 2 cars ahead in daylight. IP67 waterproof and Bluetooth audio. Night vision lags behind pricier options, and the app has connectivity hiccups noted by long-term users. But as a smart display and cam combo without the smart display price, BOLLNG punches above what it costs. Number 6 is where night riding changes completely. Number 6. Aoocci C6 Pro Motorcycle Dash Cam. You ride after dark more than you'd like to admit. The C6 Pro was built for that. A 6.25-inch 1000-nit display means you're actually seeing the screen on a midnight backroad, not guessing. Dual 1080p with HDR catches headlight detail 3 cars back that most cams in this range miss entirely. CarPlay and Android Auto built in, GPS, TPMS, everything in one mount for around $199. The 1080p cap is the real limitation if pure resolution matters to you. But for the rider who does their best riding after dark, this is the obvious choice. Number 5. FancyTiger Portable Motorcycle CarPlay Double Dash Cam. A 5-inch waterproof touchscreen with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, music, calls, no cable. Dual 1080p cameras front and rear, G-sensor impact detection, and TPMS monitoring all in one portable unit. The 128GB SD card is included straight out of the box. Quick-release magnetic mounting transfers between bikes in seconds. Glove sensitivity in cold weather gets mixed reviews, and the 5-inch screen feels small next to larger units. But for a portable all-in-one that sets up in minutes, this is the value story of the list. Number 4 is the value story nobody talks about. Number 4. Vsysto No-Screen Motorcycle Dash Cam. Sometimes you don't need a screen. You need a cam that starts when you start and stops when you stop. The Vsysto is exactly that. No display, no drama. Dual-channel 1080p that fires the moment you turn the key. 130-degree wide angle covers 3 full lanes ahead. Rear camera keeps up. Starlight night vision at around $120 surprises most riders. Wet pavement, oncoming headlights, readable detail where other cams blur. Wi-Fi app access means no card pulling. Without a screen, you're app-dependent, and firmware consistency has been flagged by some users. But for pure no-fuss value, the Vsysto is the honest benchmark at this price. Number 3. Blueskysea Motorcycle Dash Cam. Some cams hide everything in an app. The Blueskysea puts a 4-inch touchscreen directly on the unit, playback, settings, live view, without reaching for your phone. Dual 1080p at 30 frames per second with 140-degree angles front and rear. GPS mode ties a route map to every recording, speed and position exportable if you ever need it as evidence. The mounting system is built with sport bike geometry in mind, tucks in without adding bulk. The interface takes a few rides to learn, and the resolution caps at 1080p, where some competitors push 2K. But real-world footage from this unit holds its own when compared side by side. Riders who've used it for more than a season keep coming back to the same conclusion. This is the cam that disappears into the bike and just does its job. Number 2 is where premium stops being a marketing word and starts being earned. Number 2. INNOVV K6 Motorcycle Dash Cam. This is where you stop wondering if your cam is good enough and start knowing. The K6 is the camera serious riders keep landing on after trying everything else. Dual 2K front and 1080p rear with Sony Starvis sensors. A license plate 4 cars ahead in low ambient light, still readable. That's what this produces on a normal night. The full aluminum alloy body isn't plastic flex, it's machined aerospace-grade material that handles heat and vibration without showing wear at a full season in. Supercapacitor replaces the battery, so extreme temperatures don't affect startup or longevity. The DVR integrates into the front camera housing, thumb-sized, no seat removal needed, just slips in. Wi-Fi app access, 256GB max storage. The app has had connectivity complaints, and the price reflects its positioning at the top of this tier. But for the rider who wants to buy once and genuinely not think about it again, the K6 sets the standard. And finally, our number 1 pick, Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K Dash Cam. Okay, this is it, the one I kept coming back to. 4K front and 1080p rear. The 4K is not marketing. Riding at speed, 3 lanes across. You're reading plates on cars you can barely see with your own eyes. That's what 4K at 30 frames per second on a Sony Starvis sensor produces. Not a spec claim, footage that does the job 6 months later when you need it. Full body IP67. Body, cables, mounts, all rated. Not just the lens. Everything. You ride through rain without a second thought. 160-degree wide angle, GPS with speed and route tracking exportable, parking mode, wired remote for clip locking without lifting your hands off the bars, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi with OTA updates. The price sits at the top of this list, and there's no screen. Everything runs through the app. That's the real limitation. But riders who've run this for a full season say the same thing every time. You stop thinking about it because it just works. This is the camera where best isn't a guess. It's what the footage proves. That's the full countdown of the 10 best motorcycle dash cams of 2026. If this video saved you some research, hit subscribe. We put hours into these lists so you don't have to. Drop a comment and tell me which cam you're running or which one surprised you most. All the links are in the description. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one.